Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We finally reached to the last video of this tutorial series for the Love Theme Scrapbook album. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a storage box for your album. I have designed this box like a drawer, so now let's get started with the tutorial. For making the drawer, take a black chipboard of 9 3/4 by 9 3/4 inches in size. For the walls of the drawer, take 4 chipboard pieces of 9 3/4 by 4 1/4 inches. Now for joining our chipboard pieces together, we'll be taking cardstock strips of 9 3/4 by 1 inch. I have scored them at half an inch and stuck red tacky tape on either sides of the scored line. We'll need 8 such strips. Now follow the video and stick the strips as shown. To get started, attach any 2 opposite walls. For the remaining 2 walls, cut them 1/8 inch shorter in length so that they fit nicely between the previously attached walls. So the wall size should be 9 5/8 by 4 1/4 inch. Now attach these walls too. Similarly, make 8 vertical strips for joining the sides of the drawer. These strips are 4 1/4 by 1 inch in size. As you can see, our album sits perfectly in our drawer. Now let's begin making the hollow box for a drawer. For this, take 2 chipboard pieces of 10 by 10 inches, 2 side wall pieces of 4/3/8 by 10 inch and 1 back wall piece of 4 1/4 by 10 inch. The technique of sticking these pieces together is just the same as our drawer. So join the walls and the bases with strips of 10 by 1 inch. As you can see, I have already stuck pattern papers on my drawer. And now let's attach a knob for our drawer. For that, I have pierced a hole on the front wall of the drawer. I'm going to pass the screw of the knob from the inner side of the drawer, and next I will attach the knob to the screw from the outer side of the wall. The last step is cover your outer box also with pattern papers. So that's all from me on this tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed watching and creating the album with me. Stay tuned to my channel for more such interesting videos. And if you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care and see you soon.